Deraco. Deraco.
Ma?
Come on, be fast.
Ma?
I'm going to the market right now. I want you to tidy up the place, make sure everywhere is well kept, and the kitchen, watch every plate and make sure everywhere is well kept. Kitchen, toilet, bathroom, parlor, and everywhere. Just clean everywhere, and I will be right back in a few minutes.
Okay, man.
Don't just think I will stay for hours the way I used to. I will be back in a few minutes and make sure everywhere is well kept, just like I.
Don't worry, man. We'll clean up everywhere, and just don't worry. Go out and come back. Hello, Jessica.
You dey use your function.
70 years old man.
You dey use your generation.
Yeah, my mother just gone out. Yeah. Can you come now? Don't worry about her. You know, as African mothers used to behave, especially my mom. As she went to market right now, she will spend over 5 hours there before she will come back. We don't waste time now. No, maybe 1 minute, ma. Sorry. Start coming in my bed. Your house is not even far from my room. Your house is very, very close to my house. Okay, you're coming. Come with me.
5 years of madness. It is very shameful for you to accept that.
Stay that way. Stay like that. Stay.
Nigeria get capital.
You be fool.
Come on, sir. Mama, please.
Nigeria get capital.
You be fool.
The blood of Jesus.
I'm very stupid. I'm very foolish.
Yes. If you move an inch, I need help. Come back. I said, come back.
Please, please. Please, we're begging.
It's not even up to 2 minutes that I left this house. Complete a woman, a girl, into my own matrimonial bed.
Please, we're begging. Please,